Another great pickup. This is the Nissan Navara 2.3 DCI Tekna Edition, 2020 70 registration with only 6,900 miles on the car. It's amazing, double cab, lots of space in the back, facelift model, 5-year and 100,000 miles Nissan manufacturer's warranty. Remember, the car's only got 6,977 miles on. It's light new. Today with the live pricing, this car is 30,990 and there's no VAT, so that's all you pay. You don't pay anything else on top. I had one in recently and we sold it within 24 hours. We've got two that's coming today. This is one of them. There's another one shortly you're going to see go live. The Tekna spec does come fully loaded. Everything's colour coded, LED style daytime running lights, full xenons, but again, it serves a purpose. It's a pickup. You can use it for work, use it for the family, load the rear end of the pickup and then really make the most of it. At the minute, you can't get pickups. So this one being the Tekna, everything is colour coded. You've then got the chrome surroundings on the front fog lights, the chrome front grille. Just looks right, lots of ground clearance, 4-wheel drive, great on the fuel, and then you have the upgraded Tekna design 18-inch alloy wheels, which is diamond cut and high gloss black. Front and rear mud flaps, fixed side steps, sun protection glass, what you call the blacked out windows, the chrome exterior line package there, and the chrome handles as well. Comfort access, so as you walk up to the car it unlocks, and as you walk away you press that and it locks for you. As for the interior, you've got that beautiful, very good quality Nissan interior, which is full leather interior, heated seats, automatic gearbox, which is a big extra by the way, because it's about what you're driving, just the automatic makes it so much easier to drive. This has got the full camera system as well, so that's front cameras, side cameras and rear cameras, so that's the full 360 view camera system. Dual zone climate control, the different drive terrains, grab handles to get in and out of, but because the car's done 6,900 miles, it's like brand new again. So to be able to get one without any stories behind it, just a nice genuine car with no VAT, it's perfect. Up-to-date media system, touchscreen media, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, everything. Twin cup holders, your heated seats options down there, USB and auxiliary, cruise control, multifunctional steering wheel, stop-start button, and if you look up, you've got a sunroof which tilts and slides all the way back. Your normal glasses case holder, obviously a 5-seater vehicle, so if you are going to use it for work or even with a family, the kids can go in the back with great amount of space in the back as a double cab, your family and friends. There's the 3-point seat belts, the ISOFIX in immaculate condition. You've then got the silver roof bars on there as well. I mentioned the mud flaps already. LED rear lighting system. Then this one's got the tow bar, heavy duty tow bar, and you've got the 13-pin electric in there as well. Lots and lots of space in the back. This lifts up and it does all that. It goes back, no problem at all. But just look at it. Because the car's done 6,000 miles, it is like brand new, literally. Absolutely amazing. No dents or scratches anywhere to be seen. Just exactly what you'd expect. It's a Navara, it's 4-wheel drive, it's diesel, it's automatic, a double cab pickup, push button start, electric seats, lumbar support here, electric windows and mirrors with electric folding mirrors as well. Traction control, you've then got all the normal things that you expect, all the adjustments here which goes up and down, also in and out. You've got the Nissan Connect touchscreen navigation system, 2 keys, centre armrest which lifts up with more 12-volt sockets down there. Just amazing. The whole thing works, the colour, the spec, price, and remember the big thing is it's got no VAT on it. That is a massive thing. All the lighting system, it's just a good looking truck. Available in stock, it's physical. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. We're more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.